Hello guys, welcome back to another video. I'm going to be showing you how to vectorize image at once. So I use this tool named MyDesigns. I will leave the link in the description if you want to create a new account and use this tool as well. There's a lot of important stuff this tool able to do, but for the purpose of this video, I'm going to just vectorize this image. You can also upscale bulk image as well. So let's say I have this of image. First, you have to select how many image you want to vectorize. You can select them one by one, or you can just click right here on select all. So it will be select all the image you got. And also you can just click right here. You select the whole page, which is 24. So for the purpose of this video, I don't want to use all my credit. Keep in mind you have some credit, so I don't want to use all of them. I'm going to select maybe 5 of them just to demonstrate. And then next, I'm going to select 2 more or maybe 1 more. So okay, now I select 4 image and then click right here on all action. And then as you can see, if you go right here, there's a vectorized image. Just click on it. Then for this task, I will be use some credit. This is not the credit that I will be using. So this is how much credit I got. So you can choose which file you want your new vectorized image. So this is the original one. So this is where your file will be located. Those one called slot. If you want a more in-depth tutorial on MyDesigns, you can check out those tutorials on my channel. So I'm going to replace the main file because the purpose of the vectorizing those images is to replace the old one because those one are not 300 dpi. So I'm going to choose main, or if you want to place those in another load slot, you can choose this option. So I want to replace the previous one with the new vectorize one. And then click on vectorize and then click on yes, overwrite all file. And then it will cost me 8 credit. So 8 credit is not that bad. Yes, vectorize. And as you could see, it says only PNG and JPEG file are supported. So the reason why I cannot vectorize them because they already vectorized. I forget to mention that, guys. File already 300 dpi, I think. If I right here, they SVG. So SVG file is basically vectorized. I'm going to choose some PNG file. So in most cases, your image will be PNG. So for those PNG image, it should be work. So all action, vectorize image, choose where you want to save it, main file, then vectorize image. So this is a warning. Yes, vectorize. As you could see, it's processing those 2 images. When it's done, this will change to SVG. So every vectorized image is not PNG, they come out as SVG, which is a better quality printing. So when it's finished processing, this will switch from PNG to SVG file. As you can see, it switched from PNG to SVG plus XML. This is how you vectorize your image. If you want to download those images, you can just click on right here on all action and then click on download as zip. And then when you download them as zip, you can extract those images on your computer. So that's it. This is how you vectorize bulk image. Very quick and easy. Until next time, peace.